Alright, guys. So in my last video, I introduced the idea of investing in crypto indirectly by investing in crypto exchanges rather than investing in the actual cryptocurrencies, because I think that's a more secure way of investing in crypto, because who knows how this whole crypto craze is going to pan out. And so today we're going to look more directly at some of the companies and the stocks that you can invest in to benefit from this crypto wave, um, without investing directly into those assets. And so we're going to take a look at four companies today. So Coinbase is a company which is a pure play on the crypto space, meaning that that's primarily all that they do. And it's debuted, it had an IPO early last year, made in 2021, and since then it has been down 43.6%, which is not great. And it mirrors almost exactly um, the value of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin goes up, Coinbase stock goes up. When Bitcoin is down, Coinbase prices go down. And so, because it's so highly correlated to the value of cryptocurrency, in particular Bitcoin, I'm a little bit wary of investing in it. Um, and especially if this whole thing explodes and Bitcoin goes to zero, Coinbase may also go to zero. So I'm actually more intrigued in investing in some of these other companies here. So the first one that I want to talk about, which does many other things besides being a crypto exchange, is PayPal. PayPal is probably the most popular payment platform in the world. It is still growing, its revenues are increasing, its profitability is increasing. Um, and they recently made an acquisition of Venmo, which is another payment platform, a smaller payment platform, which is geared more towards younger investors. And whereas in the past, I would say, um, I don't know, 3 or 6 months or so, um, PayPal has been up in the region of close to $300. The price has dropped significantly now to only $118.77. I think that this is a good time to possibly start investing in PayPal, because it has dropped in value so much, way below its intrinsic value, in my opinion, that the risk of it going down further is probably quite low, but it will probably rebound at least back to where it was in the past, or revert to the mean, as we would say. Um, Block is a similar to PayPal in that they're also a payment processor, and they have similar characteristics. They're not as um, widely used as PayPal, and so the revenue is not as high. But inversely, their growth rate is higher. So that's a more growth oriented play on crypto investing, in that is a payment processor side, and then there's the crypto side. And I think those two companies really have enough scale to maximize any um, positive sides of doing crypto trading, because they're already well established in their field. Now, the most interesting of those three, what is it, um, multifaceted companies, is Robinhood. Now, Robinhood has had a very bad rap from professional investors, because they have a lot of retail investors who are honestly not very sophisticated, and a lot of them are bleeding a lot of money right now that tech stocks are down. But I actually think Robinhood might be a good investment in the long term, if you have a long term view, because they captured over 20 million active users since their IPO last year. And 20 million users is much higher than even some of the most established stockbrokers. And when you think that you could mix a stock brokerage and a crypto exchange, even if crypto goes to zero, you still have the stock brokerage side of things, which to me is still very valuable. And so Robinhood, I think, is a good play as well.